How to delete multiple messages at once on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete the multiple messages on Snapchat at once. To delete the multiple messages, you have to follow some steps. So launch the Snapchat on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, and after that select the gear icon and navigate the privacy and the control sections. So from there you can see that you can clear the cache, you can clear the conversation. So if I tap right here on the clear conversation, I will get all of my friends conversation here. So I can remove any of the conversation from there. So let me select any of the conversation. Let me select this one. So if I tap right here on the cross icon, you can see that, are you sure you want to clear the conversation? So yes, I am. You have to tap right here on the clear to clear all the conversation between you and that person. So after that you will see that this person's conversation will be deleted. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.